I'm Maya Bradley and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are talking about Danni Toni Cosmetics. It is a nail brand. Is my channel slowly becoming all about nail brands? I'm thinking so, but I film a lot of videos about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, so if that's something you're interested in, then please subscribe, please like, and comment. So, guys, let's just get this out the way. I am a very micro YouTuber, and I've been away, and the reason is because I have been moving, and so I'm going to be posting a lot of videos that are going to be in my previous home, so please watch those, stay tuned for those videos. But I have been also, on my own time reviewing this brand, and so I want to kind of talk to you guys about Danni Toni Cosmetics. So these products have been gifted to me. Thank you so much, Danni Toni. So let's finally get started and done with the long intro. So Danni Toni Cosmetics is a non-toxic, kid and pet friendly, high-tech, it's easy to apply, salon quality at home manicure, 100% real gel made, semi-cured, soft, stretchy, non-sticky, no residue, and it claims that it can last up to 14 days. We're not talking about no cheap little sticker nails you're just putting on and you get somewhere and then they're already coming off, right? I thought this is really cool. I just had to mention this. So Danni and Toni is a love story. 10 years ago, a man wanted to make his pregnant wife happy through daily life and makeup in a healthier way. So he established a nail factory dedicated to doing it. Now Danni and Toni is a reputed gel nail stickers brand offering convenient, stylish, and less toxic stick-on nails with salon quality. And the company is named after his two beloved children, Danni and Toni, which is so cute. So they want you to know that these gel nails are good for any occasion, and I think a lot of us are starting to like either the gel nail appliques or press-on nails more, and because it's a way to save more money. So yes, they did reach out to me and I let them know. I said, hey, like, even though I'm a micro YouTuber, I still want to give my honest opinion, and they were like, cool beans, you can help us get better. So they sent me two. I got to pick them out, which is really cool. I feel like those like really popular YouTubers. I got to pick out two different designs, and I will place them on the screen along with the pricing and everything like that. So they come in a box like this. Throughout, I'm gonna have a tutorial and close-ups of each product. So it comes in a little cardboard box like this, and on the back it says you get two gel nail strips, which I absolutely love because you can get two manicures in one, which is incredible. I mean, you really can't beat that. Then you get two cleaning pads. So when it says cleaning pads, I was thinking how like those alcohol like pads, but these are just literally just cotton pads. And so then you can use your acetone nail polish remover on the cotton pad and then, cleanse your nail that way. And I'll tell you my whole process in a minute. You get one scissor, which is phenomenal, one nail file, and one wood stick. So they also have on their website the Danni and Toni UV gel lamp, and so this is very similar to the one that I reviewed from Aura Nails. Definitely go check out that video after watching this one. And so it's just like a little mini gel lamp. The lights are on the back here, and then it kind of just stands up. And then it also came with a USB cord that you plug in. There's also a button on the back, so then you can press it. It'll last 30 seconds, and then it'll turn off when that 30 seconds is over. Now within the gel nail strips box, it comes with a cute little envelope, and in the envelope is this black pouch. So obviously it's cut because I went and grabbed the gel strips to review, and it comes with this little black pouch, which is very nice. I just want to say I like their packaging. Like, even though it's more inexpensive, it seems like they put some thought into it to kind of make it like this little experience. Like, you have this little envelope, like, even though it's simple, it's nice. Then it also comes with this little folded I want to call it like a brochure, but because I want to call it that because this is what they did here, which is so awesome. They have a section for the prep pad. You get two prep pads. It also has a how to use within the brochure. Like, if you're like, I don't have time for the website, or I didn't get a how to on my box, They're like, we're gonna let you know how to use it. And then it has a wood stick, so a little wood cuticle stick as well to push back your cuticles, a nail file to, you know, shape your nails and then remove the excess gel nail strips, and then scissors. I have not seen that before from a gel nail strip brand, and I think it's very practical, and I'll explain why soon. So let's talk about the things that you need for, you know, to apply the gel nail strip. So obviously you're gonna get your lamp, right? And if you have your own lamp, go ahead and use that at home. The 3 other products, well, really 4 of the products that you need, I would say make sure you have a nail buffer. It does not come with a buffer. And then also an outlet, USB little outlet, little plug-in. If you've been watching my videos, you know I'm obsessed with applying sunscreen with my gel nail strips. And then the last thing is my favorite nail polish remover ever. You can get this off Amazon. You can get this from Fresh Time as well, is the Mineral Fusion nail polish remover. This is non-drying and acetone free. So let's get into how to apply these nails. The first thing that I like to do is I like to push my cuticles back. I like to then file my nails and, you know, shape them on how I want to shape them. Okay, these are very simple things, guys. And then I like to apply my sunscreen. And then I like to use the cotton pad, add my little non-acetone remover onto the cotton pad, put that on the nails, okay, to remove the sunscreen from the actual nail. And then I like to kind of buff them out a little bit. And then I go in and select the sticker, the gel nail, I want to call them stickers, the gel nail strip to my nail. And I'll kind of like stretch them out a little bit, and I'll press the wooden cuticle stick to make sure, you know, it's even, it's laying it smoothly, there's no bubbles. And then I'll take the good old scissors, because this is what I used to do with the Aura brand and the Dash and Divas. I will, you know, cut it around my nail, and then I'll go in. There's a soft side and a rough side of the nail file, and then I'll go in and file it to my nail to really like adhere to my nail. This is not my first rodeo, so I can do all 5 of them and then I'm ready to stick it under the gel lamp. But if it's your first time, I would go 1 finger at a time, then stick it under the gel lamp. And for the gel lamp, it's recommended for about 60 seconds. I usually do my 4 under the gel lamp, 60 seconds. Like I said, when you press that button, it's gonna go off in 30 seconds, so then you just press it again. And when you know it is done, you know when the gel lamp is done, you kind of hit your fingers. If you hear that kind of sound, you hear that? It kind of lets you know it's done. Okay, so that's the how-to, right? And I really like how those orange nails lasted. They were really pretty. Now, the claim is 14 days. I am very, very rough with my hands, just very rough. It lasted on me when it started to chip a little bit at the end. I was probably at the 10-day mark. That's when it started to chip. But this is what I'm feeling like. And Danni, Toni, you're listening, hear me out here. I think you should come out with, I know that it's formulated with, you know, a base coat and a top coat within the gel nail strip, but I really do think that you should formulate a gel glossy top coat. This is why. It helps your nails last longer. Now, these aren't completely matte, but it's not as glossy as I personally would like. And so that's all that I would say is a negative with Danni Toni. Did it last 14 days? No, but it lasted 10 days on me. And just so you guys know, if you're still watching this video, I do have an affiliate code with Danni Toni. I will place it on the screen here. It's 10% off, and I do receive a commission from that, so please support me. That would be amazing. So, would I recommend Danni Toni to you guys? Yes, I would. Yes, I would. I think it's really great, and I think the thing to make it even better is the glossy top coat. Their designs are gorgeous. Like, they had a Japanese spring collection, and I really want this Sakura. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, but it was out of stock, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's like pink, and I think it's back in stock. And if you can hear that, that's my alarm. Their designs are really cute. That's what they have that's better than Dashing Divas, and even better than Aurora Nails, is like they have like designs for everybody. They have designs for people that want those bold, funky looks, and then they have designs for people that want that simple, classic vibe, you know? So I really like it. I hope you guys will like it too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye, guys.